Over the years, the colour scheme of my Christmas tree decorations has changed. So in the loft, in a box, were a lot of Christmas decorations that are just sitting there doing nothing and not showing their sparkle. So I thought I'd make a bauble wreath this year using a hot glue gun, my leftover decorations, a wreath back, some string and some LED lights. Attach the string first, as it's difficult to do that after the baubles are on. I started with the larger baubles first, attaching the glue directly to the bauble and then putting that onto the wreath back. Once they're positioned, I then added smaller, different size, different colour baubles into the spaces, again using my hot glue gun directly onto the wreath and to the adjoining baubles just to make sure that things stay firm. Trust the process and just continue to fill those gaps. It might look a little weird at times, but it will come good in the end. As you can see, the wreath is starting to take shape now and it looks really great. I really like the fact that there are different shades of gold and there are some glittery parts in there. I also had these stars and thought that they would make an interesting feature within the wreath, so I decided to add those as well. And I just continued to build my wreath up until I'd run out of Christmas decorations. All the gaps are filled and the decks are done and it's looking really beautiful. I already had these LED string lights at home. I just popped the battery pack behind the wreath there just so that it's out of the way but still easy for me to get to. These LED string lights are on wire, so it was easy for me to thread them around the baubles so that it stays. And here we go. Here it is on my front door in the dark, all illuminated and looking really perfect. If you're planning on making a wreath this Christmas, good luck and enjoy! Merry Christmas!